Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the fastest path. USB if available, Bluetooth if wireless. Plug the Xbox controller into USB or pair a DualShock 4 via Bluetooth, then launch DS for Windows to emulate X input. Once done, make sure Windows shows the controller and devices. You should run Need for Speed Most Wanted once to let the game register input devices. Then return to your controller utility and confirm it lists the game or process, so mappings will apply when you launch full screen. Now you map the controls precisely so steering and throttle feel right. Open DS4 Windows or Steam Big Picture, load a new profile, and assign axes. Left stick for steering, RT/Accel, LT/brake, face buttons for nitro and menu controls. Next, tweak dead zones and sensitivity so small stick movements don't drift. Test with the in-game free drive. Once comfortable, enable X input emulation and save the profile under a clear name so the game always reads the controller as an Xbox pad. Finish by launching Need for Speed Most Wanted with your profile active and immediately test steering, throttle, brake, nitro, and menus. If something isn't detected, change USB ports or repair the controller, then restart the game so it rereads inputs. Make sure no other gamepad emulators are running. They can conflict. One key troubleshooting tip: set your controller as the default gamepad in Windows or Steam and relaunch the game. This forces X input recognition and resolves most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.